Welcome back to the driveway. Once again, we're going to be messing with the Integra, and as you've heard from the intro, or not the intro, but the beginning of the video, you heard the before and after of the. And Debbie wants to say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Wait, where's that one?
I don't know. You already lost them. So yeah, you heard the first one is going to be the original one I have. It's a Yanaka catback with the vibrant muffler that I welded on some years ago, and then the second one is the title says, the Invidia. I don't know his exact model. I had to look it up from the older form, but yeah, now we're gonna disassemble the old stuff and then we're gonna put the new one on. Try to keep it short and sweet. I mean, it's a catback. You unbolt it, you bolt it back on. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, no welding, no modifications needed. Let's get to it. I'm just going to be unbolting the mid pipe. Pretty much all you're going to need is a 14 millimeter or 9/16. Pretty much the same stuff. Now I'm going to be unbolting this guy. Ow. I don't know, I got two extensions on there. So this is a side-by-side comparison. So this kit comes with all the hardware you're gonna need. I think 7 bolts. Yeah, because there's 3 here, 2 and 2, and then the flanges and a couple of stickers. think it's because I made that test pipe. I fabbed it myself, so I think it's finally biting me in the butt. It's looking pretty good so far. I mean, minus it had been a little off because of my doing, but I think it'll be all right. Just gotta mount. I'm sorry, upside down. Just gotta mount the rear pipe, and we're done. As you can see, my lower control arms are already all filthy. Just installed them about a week or two ago. Yeah, let's get this on and then we'll give it a, well, I'll hear the way it sounds, but y'all would already heard it. I'm gonna bolt this guy up on the hangers. See what I gotta replace next. Blown it fucking bushings.